Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is inscrutable. It is pronounced inscrutable, and it is spelt I-N-S-C-R-U-T-A-B-L-E. Think in, and then scrut, S-C-R-U-T, and then able. Inscrutable means difficult to understand or interpret, mysterious. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is enigmatic or hard to read. For example, you could say, he had an inscrutable expression on his face, therefore his emotions were hard to read. Or, she found the inscrutable ancient text difficult to decipher. The word inscrutable comes from the Latin word inscrutabilis, which means unable to be searched out or unable to be examined. It was originally used to describe something that was impossible to understand or interpret. In the movie Kung Fu Panda, the main character, Po, is trying to understand the inscrutable wisdom and teachings of Master Shifu and the Furious Five, whilst fulfilling his destiny as the Dragon Warrior. Synonyms for inscrutable include enigmatic, mysterious, impenetrable, and unfathomable. Antonyms for inscrutable are understandable, clear, transparent, and explicable. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, inscrutable. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.